Hello everybody, welcome back to hardreset.info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily adjust auto correction settings on your CANON i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what we want to do is we want to go over to the menu. Now in the menu, let's go over to adjustment and maintenance and click on adjust image quality. Here we need to select auto correction settings. And here we can adjust the image regularly. So I set it as after printing first job. I think is the best setting out here. And correct print color mismatch after printing the first job. So as you guys can see here, we have an option for off when turning main power on, or the third one that I've just mentioned. Also here, what we have the two options here. So basically when turning main power on or after printing the first job, as I've mentioned before. So that's basically how you guys can manage those settings. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.